Alright everybody, in this video I'm going to do number 7 of 8 American 1100s. These are a lot that I picked up on eBay for $50, I believe, $49 or $50. And I got these for another project I'm going to be doing. It's got nothing to do with spamming YouTube, but figured while I got them I might as well create some content, of course, for my otherwise pretty average channel. Just something I do to got time, and I kind of like playing with cameras. And on this one here, well, all these Americans, they've all had really weak spring tension. So you got to be really careful about oversetting. There isn't anything really there pushing them back down if you do happen to push one too far. So I'm gonna guess that pin 4 is kind of long because I felt pin 5 go up and get stuck on 4 come back. There we go. Alright, it's 7:35 in the morning, and I'm gonna call that kind of bitch picking here, not super precise, because I definitely didn't expect that to open right there. But at least this edition of Insomniac lockpicking I managed to get through without mangling any picks anyways. So now if I don't screw the gutting up, this will be a successful video. Yeah, see the key here, so yeah, number 4 is long. And then I have no idea why I just closed it back, so I guess I'm going to screw the gutting up. On the Insomniac board lock picker, not the perfect one, as was discussed earlier in a chat with some Redditors. Okay, here we go. Alright, and like all of these, it's still got factory grease on them. Just things, I mean, they already used, they only came with one key. But they're all in really good shape. Yeah, the grease is still like grease color. It's not all black and grimy and gross. Get the clip off. And use our custom follower. Okay. Just dump these real quick here. So I'm sure there's spools in this. There's been at least one spool in all of these locks, and I'm going to guess the spool is over pin 3, 4, or 5 because I didn't feel a spool in there. Probably over 3 or 4. Actually, now that I'm looking at these, is one in the camera. And if you look at these here, see, number 2 is not serrated because it's either a 1 or a 2 pin. Probably a 2, just looking at the key. And the spools, the spools are over super long key pins like 3 and 4. You don't feel them because the actual spool part is already above shear, and so it doesn't act like a spool. So 1 is serrated, 2 serrated, 3 is serrated, and all of these have had at least one spool in them. Most of them have had 2. All but one has had 2 actually, and then one had actually 4. Okay, so yep, there's the spool, and the spool is over the longest key pin. Oh, I'm sorry, that's actually 5. 4 didn't even, this tension on 4 is so weak it didn't even come out. It's just poking its head up. And I'm just banging it out here. Okay, and it's serrated, okay. Well, anyway, well, let's see here. So the spool was in pin 5. We have pin 5 in there. Okay, so that's long enough. I think that's a 6 pin. Just eyeballing it. I think that's a 6. And the spool sitting on top of it. See if you can see it here. Get it to focus. Just zoom in. There we go. So this is a spool pin, but the key pin is so long that the spool is already above shear, so it doesn't really act like a spool at all. I mean, just one little push and it's up, so there's really no way for it to get caught in there and do the false set thing that makes picking locks so much fun. So, you know, the spool had been under pin 1 or 2, you would have got a false set, and it would have been, you know, kind of more enjoyable to pick. But anywho, that's what we got here. So number 7 of 8, and I'll probably go post this and come back and do the last one. So we'll talk to everybody later.